Want to send SMS messages directly from your AI chat assistant? In this video, I'll show you how to connect Chatbox to Ozeki SMS Gateway and send text messages through the SMPP protocol with just a simple chat command. How does this solution work? Chatbox connects to the SMPP SMS MCP server through the MCP protocol, where Chatbox acts as the MCP client and Ozeki SMS Gateway acts as the MCP server. Ozeki SMS Gateway forwards the message to the SMS service provider over SMPP, which delivers it to the recipient's mobile phone. What is Chatbox? Chatbox is an open-source desktop AI client that lets you interact with multiple AI providers and supports MCP servers to extend it with external tools like SMS messaging. What is an SMPP SMS MCP server? It is a standardized software bridge that uses the Model Context Protocol to connect AI assistants to an SMS gateway, enabling the AI to send and receive SMS messages over the mobile network without custom coding. To install Ozeki SMS Gateway, download the installer from the website, extract a zip file, and run the executable on your Windows machine or server. Once the installation is complete, the gateway starts automatically and you can access its web-based management interface from your browser. To connect to the mobile network, open the Connections panel in Ozeki SMS Gateway and add a new SMPP client connection. Enter the host, port, and credentials provided by your SMS service provider. Then save and activate the connection to bring the gateway online. To create an MCP user account in Ozeki SMS Gateway, click Add New User Application and select the MCP user type from the list. Enter a username and password, then open the Advanced tab to generate and copy the API key that you will need for the Chatbox configuration. To configure the MCP server in Chatbox, open Settings, navigate to the MCP section, and add a custom server with the local STDO type and the MCP proxy command using your gateway address and API key. After testing the connection successfully, review the available SMS tools and save the configuration to complete the setup. To test SMS sending from Chatbox, start a new conversation and ensure the Ozeki SMS MCP server is enabled. Then type your message request in plain language and press send. The AI model will interpret your request and invoke the appropriate MCP tool to deliver the message, with the result appearing in the chat to confirm successful submission. To check successful SMS delivery, open Ozeki SMS Gateway and navigate to the MCP user details page by clicking on the user entry in the Users and Applications panel. In the MCP user event log, you will see an entry for the outgoing message with the recipient number and message text, confirming that it was successfully processed by the gateway. And that's it. You have now successfully configured the Ozeki Android SMS Gateway MCP server with Chatbox. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more guides on SMS gateway solutions and Android integration. Thank you for watching and happy messaging.